So guys, this is just a quick video to show you how to remove the skin from the tomato. Especially in the curries, I like to remove the skin. I mean, by all means, if you like the skin in your curries, then that's absolutely fine. It's just that I find in the curries, you've got this, like, the tomato skin just floating around in there. So what I do is I basically just put a crisscross at the bottom of the tomato. I don't know if you can see that. And then all you do is you just pour hot water over it, and I'm just going to let them sit in there for a little while, and you will notice that slowly the skin will start to peel off. So we're just going to leave that in there for now. So guys, as you can see, the skin has started to peel off. So all we do is we just take them out, and I'll just remove the skin like this, and it's so easy, it just peels off. And then you can just chop it into pieces and add it into your curries. There you go.